I'll talk you guys through just basics of what I'm doing as I go. Okay, so on the 4x4 you have to solve one center first, and I just always do the green one just because green's my favorite color. Pretty simple reason. Then you have to solve the opposite one, so that means blue for this. Then solve each of the individual, well, that was lucky, solve each of the individual centers just by rotating them around to the right place. Okay. Now I can start solving the rest of the cube. Just matching up edges first. So I match up all these edges of the same color. And the reason for that is so that you can then solve it like a 2x2. Sorry, like a 3x3. If you know how to solve a 3x3, then you'd know what I mean. Ooh, okay, it's not good. That wasn't good. Okay. Almost paired up all of the edges. After I'm done pairing up all of the edges, I can then just solve it as if it were a normal 3x3. But there's a few different cases which you can get at the end where things are in the wrong space. So it's still harder to solve than a 3x3, even once you convert it to a 3x3. Okay. So now I'm just going through and solving it like a 3x3. I timed that 2 minutes and 20 seconds. Just glanced over my watch, which is okay. Usually it takes me about 4 minutes to solve this cube, 4x4. And I think 3 minutes 50 is my personal best. I've only had it for a few weeks though, so it changes like every single day. Okay. Might even beat my personal best here. So it's 2 minutes 50. Almost on to the last layer. This is going good. Okay. I think I might even beat my personal best here. Alright. Yep, that's 3 minutes 37. Okay, so I just beat my personal best. There you go.